The beach is right over there. Look at this. What is that? You can have dinner in here? Look. How cool. Someone can like book this. I'm sure it lights up as well. Hopefully one day I can get that. Except I need someone to come with me here. So yeah. I swear these spots are like meant for couples. Like if you're lucky enough to have someone that can come with you, it's so nice. I'm gonna go check out the swimsuit store they have here. Maybe buy some, because I'm definitely gonna be coming to more resorts, so I thought we'll check it out. Maybe find some cool stuff here. And look at the view of the rooms. This is what they look like, guys. I ended up buying a blue swimsuit. Look at the color on this. Super nice, right? With a blue bandana. We're gonna be wearing this tomorrow, so yes. And right now I'm thinking of going to the gym, so we might go right now, do some training, and then we shall have some dinner. Okay guys, I'm gonna go change. Beautiful. So you can actually swim here at night, by the way. We'll try it later. It's really late, so for now I'm gonna go inside, and I think we may head to the gym. So let's do that. Oh, all these beautiful hotels. I really need someone